Here it is. Welcome back, everyone, to Luigi's Mansion. In the last episode, we killed a dog, a really sweet piano player, and more. This time, we'll continue beyond the boneyard and see what's there.
Oh, yes.
I was telling Luke between episodes, Luigi whistles slower when he's low on health.
Oh, does he? Probably 'cause
Yeah,
he's
he's getting
tired.
tired.
His heart is beating slower, too. Oh, the cemetery.
There we are. The depth perception on the hearts, dude.
Dude!
Oh my god, a bunch of Mr. Bones.
Oh, jeez. And a big, juicy heart. Nice. We got to hear the yells, so I'm satisfied.
Uh-oh. Car's like lagging.
Only for a smidgen, luckily.
You know, these honestly remind me more of the skeletons in the Link to the Past than, like, Dry Bones.
Honestly, yeah. We don't get the dry bones vibes here, even though they throw bones. Like the Stalfos.
Mm-hmm. Is that what they're called? Are they Stalfos in Link to the Past?
I think so, but I know exactly what you're talking about.
Yep, no,
Hashtag not my dry
not
bone.
your dry bones, brother.
I think we'll wait a little bit to check on that.
Oh, okay.
There is another juicy secret in here.
Ooh, secret. That pipe.
Indeed.
Another ruby.
Oh.
There it is.
That makes sense.
Sweet.
Well, now there's nothing left to do but inspect the big gravestone.
That's glowing.
Ooh.
You know, you'd think Luigi would get used to this at this point, but...
That jump scare
This
you as
is
a
the
kid, Brando?
boss of Area 2, Bogmire. We timed these really well, because here we are with another major boss fight. I always have a hard time trying to, like in terms of cycles, it took me a lot of cycles to kill this guy.
Hello.
But I like this fight. I like the music. He's got all these shadow clones. The bigger they are, the longer he stays stuck.
Oh.
But he pulls you like crazy. There'll be more and more clones to get in the way when you're actually attacking.
Ooh.
Nice aim.
And aim. What's with the blue one?
It's a baby.
Oh yeah, it looked kind of blue there.
Gosh.
Ooh, almost. Making quick work.
Oh, I guess the blue ones are just small ones.
I guess so. Yeah, they don't trap him for like as long, I think. He's still, you got plenty of time. Oh, look out! Nice.
Nice.
Didn't run into them. Alright.
Let's see how we did on all of them. As well as a new key. The
Ooh,
spade
green
key.
key.
Or the club key, I'm done.
I didn't realize I had this with the cards.
Luigi, can you hear me? Good to hear you're still okay. I lost your signal when that lightning struck. That was some battle you had there. Why don't you come on back to the lab? What? You think the lightning damaged the Poltergeist 3000?
Uh-oh.
Don't worry about it. Even if that lightning had cooked your goose, your Poltergeist 3000 wouldn't even have a scratch. Who cares if you're dead? And this is all the same. Quite a few bosses we took out there.
Yep.
Yeah, that was a lot, huh? 4?
More than 4.
I guess the game can't handle it.
Oh, there. think it was like 6 maybe.
Yeah, neither can Parsec, dude. Holy shit.
Yeah. They're too intense.
Oh, there's a silver.
Silver and he's very hard to gold. Gold in the floating
Oh, I
red
did get
index.
gold on
Oh,
them.
nice.
So
Shivers. Melody.
probably not for the big guy though. Yeah.
Mr. Lugs.
Why is the dog a different color, dude?
Yeah, some of the gold portraits are weird.
I like this song a lot.
Spooky, that was its name. Mr. Bones was the skeleton, that's right.
Oh, yeah.
Look at all that cash.
Damn, dude.
Wow.
Damn, diamonds are worth a lot, dude.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
We've got a
those
lot
are-
more currency forms now. 24 million, looking good. Terrifying Luigi face, and we're on to area 3.
Let's check out the gallery really quick.
Fuck it.
Takes a
See how
little
things
peek.
are going. Really not too much. It's just like
Nigel just chilling.
He's reading forever.
number 1. You can see we still have a few. There are some that are in the middle here. So it looks like I missed one. We'll have to check that out. But at the same time, like the floating Rolindas were the 4th boss she ran into.
Yeah, it's an interesting order.
So the order is kind of strange.
Luigi.
Where am I?
Yabba yabba.
Well, we know where to go now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is a big moment for Luigi.
And now that we cleared area 2, this place is peaceful.
Yes. Finally.
Oh, that means we won't show up anymore, Brando? Damn.
Oh,
Well-
don't you worry, my friend.
I'm gonna
Wait
tell
until
you.
you see what's on the other side of this door. Our cameos are not done yet.
Shit.
The Thorn Gate is gone.
And we get to head out.
What's the club key?
Area 3 has a lot of optional ones, so we're gonna get a lot of moolah.
Yep.
Whoa.
The courtyard.
Ooh, little
Ooh.
mini ghosts, little baby ghosts.
Pretty cool out here.
There's a water source. I think we need that.
Probably investigate it. Water some
There's
flowers.
a little heart there. There's another one of those infinite spawn enemies.
Actually, what I will do since we're here, it's not that one. Yeah.
Make a quick little journey. Oh yes, I know what you're
I'll
thinking.
go back here, and I believe since we are in a new area now, we should be able
Are you
to
gonna
water
water
the
the
flowers
plant?
some more.
The window is very small. If you beat Bogmire, you can't start
Oh my
this.
gosh, is that the rumor weed?
Here it comes.
Big flower.
And that's all for now.
Oh.
It's still not done yet.
But we're good on you for remembering. You don't water that little sprout and then you go beat the boss and then you're screwed out of it.
Damn.
Yep.
Very small window. Now we'll go to the spooky courtyard.
Yes.
Alright.
Me and AV need to make our comeback.
We didn't get enough screen time.
Nope. Very true.
You need to pay us more.
Mario.
He's at 100 health, AV, not yet.
Yeah, I just say it now. Mario.
There we go. moon looks cool here too.
Oh. Oh, there I am.
Welcome back.
Luigi. That's what I'm saying, I think.
Oh my god.
Did I laugh at him? Oh,
Go
down
down
the
the
well.
Let's see
Who
what's
is
down
that?
That's a strange sound. It couldn't be that important, right? I think we should go and not.
It doesn't sound like a big deal.
If it was me, it wouldn't be a big deal.
A sneak peek at the secret altar.
Oh, wow. There's King Boo and Mario.
Help!
Mario!
It's only 1:44
Get me
p.m.
out of here.
No, brother!
I'm Luigi. Oh, damn, I even came
Maybe.
down here, bro.
You're like, hey, did you see that cutscene?
Oh, I actually didn't know you needed
Oh,
to go
shit,
down.
I had a key.
Yeah. AB
Or, well,
was
right
plot
now.
relevant.
Let's go.
Thank you, AV. I'm sorry I had to
No
kill
problem, man. I'm still alive up there somewhere.
you. True.
We'll see you again,
What?
my friend.
Oh, I have to press A, I think.
The hardest part of the game.
He just went right down this one. So I thought it was, you just have to press A. Or you don't have to.
Oh, and there's
No,
Brando right up here to avenge me.
Hey, what's good, Luke?
What the? Mario's letter. I wonder what it says. Why don't
Oh,
read
did
it?
we never bring back the hat to the lady?
No, we can do it all at the same time.
True. God, you're gonna make me do the lip smacking for like 5 minutes?
Dude, that lamppost looks like it's from straight up
Oh.
from Toontown.
It does.
What's up, Tobe? Get ready, AV.
You saw him, didn't you? How could they do that to Mario? When I saw him like that, I completely lost it and ran. Thought the mission looked for a hiding place. I sound like Mickey Mouse. Well, I was running though. I didn't even notice that Mario left some of his things lying around the place. I had a glove, a shoe, a letter, and a star. I saw 5 of the items all together. I could collect them for you if I could remember where they were. Yeah, I probably should have picked some up.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. You're a true Mario brother.
What does that mean?
What?
What does that mean? Toad, you trying to say something?
Well, I mean, Mario is a jerk, so
Leave it
it's
to
true.
me. What, huh? Really? You'll find all of Mario's items for me? Yippee skip yahoo! Oh, thank you, Luigi.
Light up the courtyard.
Hot dog,
Oh,
hot
yeah.
diggity dog. Here, we have one of my favorite optional bosses
Oh
as well.
shit,
This
he's
guy,
in the fucking gym, bro.
Biff Atlas. He's like, "Ah."
He's just trying to fucking gain some muscles, bro.
He's destined to do to do pull-ups for eternity.
He's just trying to get big. Giving him a shower,
Run out
that's
of
pretty
water.
nice.
He
Yeah,
does.
shower.
His daily routine is 5,000 reps.
Golly.
And then he takes a break. Just having fun with it.
Wait, I think I'm doing this wrong. I thought you were supposed to hit these at him. Oh, I thought exhaling would actually do that, but I guess not.
I'm just going to keep doing my weights. Don't worry about me, little man. The funny part is you can just leave and continue the game.
Oh, he's another optional?
Yeah.
I mean, he is just minding his business.
He's one of the hardest ones to perfect because there's so much crap in this room.
Yeah. There's gotta be something. I
Well,
forgot
maybe-
how to do this one.
Maybe try punching it into him if you have to. If that's what you think.
3001. Oh!
Oh shit, Speedy! Speedy Gonzalez.
Bro,
Damn.
you have no time. Do you have to hit them like right in front of you?
eh? 3001, 3002.
I thought you were supposed to use these and like hit him with them.
Punch it on him, at him.
Oh, you're right. I'm done.
Damn, bro, that's fucked up, man.
Oh, he's not down yet.
He's pissed. What the fuck are you doing, brother? Interrupting my regiment?
Luigi can get hit by the bags too.
What is this?
Dang.
Chin 4.
Dear God.
Uh-oh.
Is this Maylene?
Now he's down.
Get him, yep.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
wow.
weapon.
It's so hard to perfect.
I might get a
Dang.
bronze for this guy.
Luckily, you don't have to do it 3 times again.
Oh, that's good.
Biff Atlas, what a man. He was just trying to reach 5,000 red.
And some cash.
And a boo.
Great.
Who's this one? Beauregard.
Beauregard.
Oh, he's about to
Oh
leave.
God, get back here. Get back here.
And see you later.
I have to go all the way to the other side.
What if I told you that
No,
there's something else in this room?
Well,
Ooh, diamond.
in a second.
Diamondo.
Nice.
Dang, you
Yeah,
got
you
all
went
the
into
way
the
around to
music
the
room.
music, dude. Maybe you can take that shortcut,
afraid
though.
of. I think it would be faster to go this way.
You think?
Maybe. I don't know.
That door looked like it led right into the hallway.
Mm-hmm.
It does.
When you get back to the fitness room, yeah, keep looking around. Even though the room's already lit up.
Oh, they actually decided to hide in here.
Sneaky.
Because he took too long. It's like, yo, this is my chance.
He's like, this is. I'm gonna just enjoy some tunes.
Oh, there he is.
Beauregard.
Stop looking at me.
Oh, that's random.
He's trying to go back.
He's
No.
trying to be cheeky.
No, thank you.
Yowzer.
He said Yowzers. I thought it was gonna be the same flavor text.
Oh, don't worry. Be careful. That's one boss ghost down. Now we shimmy back.
What's up?
Hey.
I'm back.
Was good.
Thank you. He's congratulating me for capturing the boo.
He's like, I never liked Beauregard.
Super pompous
Okay.
name.
A secret, apparently.
My brother might be able to lift this.
Is Mario that jacked?
I don't think so.
No.
He's got a pot belly.
Yeah. I don't think he's built for that.
He has a lot of faith in his brother, I guess.
The only thing I'll say is that you don't need to. You don't have to scan something. That is all I'll say. It won't be like the mouse hole. Otherwise, Luigi will just say more random flavor text.
I feel like it might be one of the swords on the wall.
Yeah.
Sword and shield?
Ah, yes, the Monado 4.
The Monado 4.
There's a heart.
There's the big juicy fart. That's not it. It's actually something a lot of players miss because it's not necessary, but it is very helpful.
Mario!
Mario!
Said no scanning. I was about to scan this and accidentally send myself all the way back.
Oh god. Yeah, that's all I'll say. No mouse hole.
Is there another mirror on the other side? Nope.
Here.
He doesn't even want to try lifting it.
There
I
it
didn't know.
is.
I didn't know that you could walk on it.
That is a shortcut.
Oh,
Oh.
that's yeah. See, that's what I was
Dude.
talking about.
It's not net. You don't have to get that key, but it's very helpful.
Yes. Saves a lot of time.
Perfect.
What's that on the right? Stairs?
Yes. There's the
Oh.
second floor. The second part of the second floor.
Right, because we only saw Neville Papperman and Lydia.
Need some
Oh
water.
damn! You used up all your water.
You were giving Biff a little cooldown after his workout.
Oh my gosh! I cloned myself.
We're just so happy to see you.
Oh my god! All these doors are open too. Whoa!
There's
Frankenstein, dude.
It's an evil poster.
Oh, it's a boo.
There's my water.
Nice. Ah! He was in the turlet all along.
Nice.
Money.
Some money.
Sweet.
What does that say? Is that English?
Get out of here.
Said, oh, I thought it said "said out of here," dude.
It's the Pikmin moo and hay all over again.
It's that out of here. Bet something.
Something,
The
something.
bottom one says the same thing.
Oh.
Oh, hey,
Oh.
Brando. Or AV.
Oh shit! Let's go, dude.
Oh.
Did she just drooled all over you?
Did she like shoot a snot bubble?
Yeah, did she
Miss
really let herself go?
Petunia. She's,
Maybe put the
she's something.
curtain back, just so that
It
it's.
did surprise her. The ghosts are getting a
Just so
little
we
more
don't have to look at
complex now.
Star likes the BBWs.
Okay.
You with the sound clip, just what I needed. Nothing happened in here, and she's just gonna snot on you again if you. Luigi is shivering.
We'll come back here later.
Interesting.
Maybe come back. There are so many rooms to go through now.
Oh, someone rocking again. This
Great.
time it's an old lady.
Oh yeah, this lady's
Yeah,
weird.
that's
She sounds like. You're gonna hear it. She's like.
Oh, another Speedy Gonzalez.
There
Yes. Good.
Oh, what? Oh my gosh.
That was so close. Oh no.
You had 1 HP and she just screwed you.
No, Granny. Murder her.
I'm
Gotta
supposed to get
kill
off the
Nana.
money. I'm trying to get the yarn. Can you press A? There you go.
Gotta throw a yarn ball at her.
Now she's mad.
Shove some balls in her face.
Yeah.
She does sound weird. What the heck?
Whoa.
What was that?
Hello?
Her dentures?
Eye lasers?
Oh yeah, that's gonna.
It sounds like a
Get
Banjo
outta here,
Kazooie
Granny.
character.
Curse you, Granny. You ruined our chances.
Oh, bye.
Go to the afterlife.
And she's still upset.
She's
Yeah, she
you don't even
totally
have to
sounds
use
like a Banjo Kazooie character.
like she bobs her head and talks. All right. Well, now that Granny's dead, viewers, we'll catch you in the next episode where we figure out how to deal with Miss Petunia and more of the second floor.
Yes.
See you next time.